Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and once again, welcome to TimeDesign. Today I'd like to show you the basics of moving around in TimeDesign. When you start it up, the first screen is the master table. This is a basic period, timetable should I say, and on the left are miscellaneous periods, currently blank. By clicking on the add defaults, you can get assembly, break and lunch added in. You are able to add in your others as well if you want to. For example, you can add in meeting and anything else that you like. Selecting it, you can choose a delete key to physically delete the selected item. You are able to sort it, load an existing comma separated file or save it. On the right hand side you have your basic timetable. You are able to add periods, add days, add a period, add a day. To remove the last day, you simply click there. To remove the last period, you simply click there. Once you've got enough days and periods, you can simply relabel it with the defaults, choose your own layout, and if you really want to, you can click unlock headings and physically go and change them to whatever suits you. Click on lock headings to save them once you're finished with that. You've got your educators, where you capture your educators, you capture your classes, you capture your rooms, your subjects. This is a screen where you create your layouts, which will create all these groups for you. The solving of a process, the reporting process, getting your substitutions, and the basic video training. By selecting educators, you can physically type them in, A, B, C, whatever your educator is, or you can go to quick entry. You can type educators there, 2, 3, and by saying send to table, they get sent across on your right hand side. You're able to do the same with the classes, rooms, subjects and the groups. By opening up a sample timetable, samples, I'm just going to take Demo High School, clear the computer generated entries. You'll see I've got the educators in already. I've got the master table prepared and laid out, break period, registration period, the educators, the classes, the rooms, the subjects. The layout, to create a layout, is simply a matter of selecting whichever educator it is, the subject that they teach, the grade that they teach, and the word create. And there's the timetable, everything created for you. If you don't like it, you simply drag it onto the dustbin or select it and choose delete to remove it. If that educator is going to be teaching that subject quite often for all the grades, you can lock them, and then it is simply a matter of selecting the grade, create, select grade, create. The others stay locked in their position, and once that's done, you just simply unlock them. You are able to untick it if you've selected the wrong one, and once you're happy with everything, you move on to your groups. You can see here's the default days, minimum per day, maximum per day, and total per cycle that it uses whenever it creates a group. This shows you the list of groups: arts and crafts for grade 8A, minimum per day, maximum of 2 periods per day, maximum of 5 periods per cycle, and currently there's none used. You're able to go across to solve it. Check the information. It's going to say everything's okay. If there's a problem, it's going to show you there. Select solve it, click the solving process. It'll go through, choose everything, and it will slowly try and put them into place. And you can see the progress on your right hand side over here as well. It's improving. And there we go, it is now a complete timetable. You're able to go to reports, print preview, and that will create the basic timetable for you. You've got an option of transferring to HTML, to Excel, or to Word. Thank you. Have a great day.